This is my new to me 2018 C63S AMG Coupe, and this is officially the new car from my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to announce that. The amount of presence this car has in person is insane. Just look how aggressive the lines on the hood look and how wide the fenders are. It takes up a lot of space, so hard to miss. Let me just quickly pop that hood for you guys so we can talk about what's underneath and all the specs, all the nice things about this car. Power. So what you guys are looking at here is a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. Those two cylindrical things you see right there, the turbos, and it's in a hot V setup. Shout out my boy Kevin Wayberth, however you pronounce it. This car makes 503 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque, straight out the factory, so it's in stock everything right now. These things come with a lot of power from factory, so if you don't want to tune it, you don't have to. With that being said, I will be getting a tune at some point and also wrapping it as well. You know, switch up the look a little bit. Let me just shove this a little bit. It's a lot of noise. It's so noisy. Like I was saying, possibly switch it to a satin black wrap. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It is a rear-wheel drive car, so all the power does go directly to the rear wheels, and that really heightens the fun experience you get in this car. If I really wanted to go drifting, I could easily do so, just whip the tail out a little bit. Onto the interior of the car. So this had the red and black interior that initially I didn't like, but it's starting to grow on me. It also has the previous owner added the carbon fiber center console. I think the underneath is piano black. And it has, we have the regular traditional AMG steering wheel and the analog looking gauge clusters. Honestly, the interior is pretty much the same as my C43. Both 2018, both pre-OPF models. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, why would you get a car that looks exactly like your previous car? Well, this takes the coupe look to a whole different level. I wasn't ready to get in a sedan just yet because I prefer how sporty the coupes look. And the wheels on these look so crazy. Like, these are 265s and these are, I believe, 295s. They look so planted, so when you look at it from certain angles, all you can see is a stance. And these brakes, oh my goodness, man, these are so noisy, but they're perfect. So in here you'd find options like you would in any other AMG. You have your exhaust flaps, your auto start stop, the typical stuff. And let me see if I can show you guys the individual settings real quick. You have your race, sports plus, sport, comfort, and the individual setting, individual configuration. That's what I have set it to right now. And yeah, that's what that looks like, your typical stuff. I could finally get the ambient lighting in this upgraded from the regular ones to the multicolored ones all over the door and on the panels here. And once that's done, I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks, and it's going to elevate the interior. That's going to be it for now. There's going to be more details in the description down below. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell. So this is what I'm going to be using for my new POVs. Quickly, let's give it a rev. Share that in Sports Plus, race. This thing is crazy, man. It's crazy as hell.